And that's about all you got to do. And believe it or not, just as you're doing that, I mean, it cuts a lot. Get these things so incredibly sharp that, you know, because I'm going, you can tell I'm going, you know, not going against the grain, but I'm going sideways with it.
You have huge bear claws, and you're very strong. Look at that.
Yes.
You can do that.
You get no way.
But that's
Video in progress.
yeah, and you can kind of see how deep that's going down. I mean, that's going down, you know, probably 3/16 of an inch. But like I say, these, you know, they get really